Old Joe here, Southern Coast of Cooking, coming at you this morning. I want to announce a trip that we're going on as a late announcement. We're going next week for spring break. Take my daughter. We're going with my sister, my brother-in-law, and their kids and everything. We're going to Texas Hill Country. Super, super excited. I want to go ahead and show you guys and gals where we're staying, talk about the trip a little bit. Of course, I'm going to be doing reviews on the places we're staying, the places we eat. I want some advice from y'all on where to eat, because that's something, I mean, it's just such a big area, y'all. So it's like another place I've been, so there's just a huge amount of places where we could eat or something like that. But y'all just give me some suggestions, tell me what you think. I'm going to tell you about where we're staying first off, okay? Next week, big Texas Hill Country trip. First off, this is where we are staying. This is a beautiful property right here. And, well, this is where we're staying for the majority of the trip, okay? So, really looking forward to this. This is at the Marriott here, the JW Marriott San Antonio Hill Country Resort and Spa. We're staying here for about 4 or 5 nights. It looks supposed to be absolutely beautiful. I don't play golf, but the kids are going to enjoy that. Look at all those lazy rivers, pool, stuff like that. I think that's going to be awesome. Apparently they've got websites have been messing up today for me. Anyway, they've got some dining area and stuff like that, some nice restaurants. Now also, we will be staying, when we first come to Hill Country, we're going to Fredericksburg. And before we go to San Antonio, we'll actually fly into San Antonio. I'll show you where we're staying the first time. Then we're going to Fredericksburg, and we've rented this quaint little house here that he said, she said, comfortable glam, okay? We'll show you all some pictures of it. All right. Nice little house here. It's supposed to be right, where you can walk. Apparently, downtown there on the in the wine country and all that kind of stuff. My sister's been there before in the area. I haven't, but this is a pretty little house here. I'll put y'all a link to this and give y'all a review of what we think once we get there. But be nice, for us, get away, kids and everything. Again, this is we got this off of VROB. It's a little he said, she shed house there. Look, we got a grill in the backyard. Look at all that right there. Got a hot tub, so looks like a really nice little place. We're looking forward to that one, okay? And then as we first check in, we're going to stay just at a hotel right there, kind of by the airport, that type of place. Another thing we'll be trying out, I got me one of these Marriott Bonvoy balance cards from Chase. See if that helps us out at all. Staying with some of the Marriott places. I hate though that the website messed up for the other place, but they've got some at that resort. Apparently they've got a bunch of like I said, all the water slides, the lazy rivers, things like that. And that's the place in San Antonio. I'll try to get y'all some more footage. I've got that website back up and working here. Let's look at some of the dining here at that Marriott Resort where we're going. Seems like they've got some nice food there. Of course, I want to try all that type of stuff. They've got like a sports bar and then a nicer restaurant. It's a nice little bone-in ribeye there, cowboy steak type stuff. So, we're looking forward to it for sure. I mean, like I said, I know that that my family, the kids and everything, they're going to really look forward to that lazy river and all. I mean, look at all that down there. So, yeah, it's we got a room with a little balcony there. That's what I like to sit out there. But I'll be giving y'all some reviews and taking it along with us on the trip like we always do. Looking forward to some Texas Hill Country, y'all. Let me know if you have any suggestions around the area, things that you'd like for us to check out. All right. Thank y'all so much. Remember, sub my channel, like my videos. God bless, and y'all have a good one.